coffee. Yum. Okay, so it's about maybe 10 in the morning. I've been going back and forth. Should I organize? Should I not organize? And I'm the only person that kind of feels like you're on some type of a spiritual or emotional journey where you feel like you just need to clear everything out in order for you to feel, I don't know, whole again. Well, I'm going through each part of my house day by day. Okay, so I'll just probably do like a weekly video. Maybe this will be an inspiration for you guys, where I am decluttering, I'm organizing, I'm making a place look amazing. And I'm gonna start with this closet. Yeah, this closet. So I have a lot of closet space and everything in my house, but I kind of get a little comfortable and it looks a mess. So I'm going to show you guys top to bottom what it looks like. This is the top, and let's scroll down. I just don't understand why is this here? Okay, why is all of this here? This is pretty sad. And like I said, this is a living room closet, so when you come in, it's 2 closets in here, and this just shouldn't be the case. So yeah, so when you first come in, there's like 2 closets. This is the first one that is a hot mess. I'm gonna tackle this other one on another day. Oh, this is so sad. I'm gonna tackle this one on another day. Let me just show you. This is just, Jennifer. Judge me, okay? Judge me all you want. I get it. So yeah, I'm gonna organize this closet and I'm gonna take you guys along. So I'll just do it shelf by shelf. So we're gonna start at the top and then I work my way down. Let's get this party started. I got a clear shelf. That's perfect. So this is the destruction that it has left in its path. Eek. I'm gonna go through all of this. There's some more over there in the corner. And of course I'm gonna clean this closet out of this little dirt that's left over here. But yeah. Okay, so I wasn't really satisfied with the end result of my closet. I felt like it kind of looked drab. So I got a few bins here from Dollar General. Just this little small one here, as well as 2 of these latching boxes. Yeah. So I got 2 of these latching boxes here, and I'm just gonna put away things that were inside of all of these bags that you see here, and just see how it ends up coming out. So straight into it I go. all in all, I think I did a good job. I was able to get a good amount of storage at the top. And over here on the second row, I was able to put all of those bags that I had into one bag. And I was able to get some of my important papers on that shelf, as well as on the third one. Here at the bottom, I folded up those curtains and stuff that I'm going to use at a later time. I put those away inside that bag, as well as putting away my outside chair for sporting events. Forgot to show you guys. This is actually, I'm going to clean it too, but this is filled with just a whole bunch of pictures and stuff. And my goal has been to take these out and like put some on the wall. So yeah, that'll definitely be another project for another day. So yeah, all in all, I think it looks pretty good. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? If so, comment down below telling me all about what you like about it. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.